Oh, hello. So I've already made the beats. Unfortunately, this I can't say bad words online. You know, I might get censored for it. So this stuff just basically did not record what I was doing. But for to avenge that, because I need to avenge that, I will show you the beats that I've done. And basically, I think it's one of my best tutorial. So why not going through it again? So I'm going back through that beat and I might mix it because this is very unfair. I don't know why it has not recorded the whole process how I was making the beat, but you're going to see everything. I'm going to break down step by step. You're going to see what I've put down. Uh, I don't know if I will show you the mix, but definitely that was a good stuff that will have made your day. It still make your day right now. So let's go. Here, as you can see, we start with a 90 BPM. I've already broken everything down, so I cannot insult in my channel. So just look at the rim, how it looks like. It's like a rim comes here. You can see it from here. Rim shots, seconds. It's XV. I just put that pattern down. So let me play it. So something very simple like this. The rim shot, let me play it again. See here. Here, you can look at this. So yeah, basically I got to Omnisphere and I found out their stuff. It's just the harp, it's played. Yeah, it's also to add some texture. You know, when you put textures in your song, it sounds more wide, like it makes it vibrant. So always do it. Um, Make sure you move forward always when you do your beats. Don't do beats or that's an advice I'll just hide from you. But just do the thing correctly. Don't do it like I'm just doing it. Understand? So the thing is, don't give up before you try. For some people that might not work, but for you it might work. So just be persistent, be resilient. Don't get discouraged by people stuff. So stuff. Yeah. I really, I really don't like those pop-ups there. You know, I'll turn off everything, but I'm telling you, life is hard, but it's never the time to complain. You know, that's why I'm saying life is hard. There is things you can control, things you can't control. There is all those. thousands of things that can appear to your screen that you don't have necessarily the time to shut it down. So it just appears and you just say that shit happens. But from time to time it's annoying, but just manage with it. With the time you're gonna get better. You'll even forget about it. So work from there. So nota bene, some things I'm doing here, I'm making it without no money. Do you think being a producer is funny? You're doing it without no money. No money, just your mind, your focus, and you just do it. You see, don't expect for anything to come down the table for you like a gift. No one's going to give you anything. And as long as you work, you can find your gifts are there, or if it doesn't work, you do your thing. But anyway, try and work hard. But that's the only advice I can give to you. You might see this channel and say, this and stuff. No, that's the old way. You do things the old way. Do it like with your energy. Use your energy to climb the mountain. Like I'm saying, you can't climb a mountain like with your mouth. You climb a mountain with your hands, and that's another language. All these perk will lead you to the sound. So do not skip anything. All these perks will lead you to the sounds. So just put the things down, 90 BPM. Just put everything down, then you're gonna get the sound. Because I made it, but I cannot do it again, like use my energy. For the shaker parts, then you add congas. So just breaking down for you. Toms. Okay. Now you got almost everything. From here we got the crash. But as you can see, it's not yet dropped. So I did not drop the crash because I might put it inside the channel right here. So as you got everything, let me play for you. So that's it for the beats. Can save it. Make can save it as caliente. I like caliente things. So that was that. Thank you for being to the end of this. I hope you've enjoyed the process, and I hope everything was good for you. Have a great day. Peace.